This is an original Xbox 360 controller. Today I will restore this controller and try to give it a good look. So let's start the video. This controller's condition is not so good, though the seller told me that this is a full working controller, but I have some really deep doubt about that. The battery holder clip was broken and I received it like that. The battery pack's condition was also not so well. There's a lot of corrosion on the connection pad. I have to use a different battery pack to check the controller because the battery pack that comes with the controller was not working. I press the home button and it starts. I also check it on my console and all the buttons were working. I have a fully damaged Xbox 360 controller in my collection, so I will use this controller's housing for my project because my original controller's housing was broken. Now it's time to open up the controller, but to open up the controller is really a pain in the ass because I did not find the proper screwdriver, which is Torx T8, on my local hardware store. So I used a flat-headed screwdriver and a normal Torx driver to open. And after so much difficulty, I am able to open up all the freaking screws. And I am pretty much sure that this controller was never been opened before. Inside of the controller, the condition is horrifying, you guys can see. I found dead insects and also a little cockroach. Now it's time to clean up the motherboard of the controller. First I will use a dry cotton bud Then I will use alcohol to clean up the board and also the corrosions. I also clean the corrosions on the spring connection with a knife. I also disassemble the other broken controller because I will use this controller's housing. Now it's time to clean up the components those don't have any electronics. I used dishwashing liquid in the water to clean the components. After cleaning, I let the components to dry, and after that I paint the body of the controller with matte black color and the side parts with glossy yellow color for giving this controller a good look. Now it's time to assemble the controller. Before assembling, I used hot air to remove any dust or water on the components. After assembling, it looks pretty much good in this color combination, but my yellow color was not so good. There's some big color gap and irregular color problem on the yellow parts, you guys can see. So I again disassembled the controller, took the yellow parts, sand those parts, and again I colored those and kept them overnight to dry. And this time the color is better than before, but I am not satisfied with this color. I have also bought a Xbox 360e console. I will also restore this and do a color mod on this console, and for that do a subscribe and comment down below which color combination should I do to the console. So this is it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give a like. Thanks for watching. My name is Rahi. See you in the next one.